guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I'm going to show you supply and demand strategy that can change your life. Okay, that can change you from a losing trader to a winning trader. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video and then let me show you this supply and demand strategy that make me almost $100 each and every day. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video and then let me show you this strategy. Okay, so as you can see on the screen right now, this is a supply and then demand strategy. Okay, and this is what you need to know about this strategy that I'm going to teach you right here. Make sure you take your book and your pen and then jot some things down as I'm teaching you this strategy. Okay, so for a supply and demand strategy, for you to trade it profitable, you need to identify the trend. Okay, identify the trend of the market. Okay, so number two, after identifying the trend of the market, number two is wait to break a structure. Okay, wait to break. I'm going to demonstrate these steps that I've been writing here on the framework and also on the real chart. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's continue the video. Okay, so number three is let the price comes into your demand or supply zone. Okay, and then number four, step 4, which is wait for candlestick confirmation to enter the trade. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's delete. I think you have written these steps down, so I'm going to delete these steps from my screen so that I can teach you how this strategy work. Okay, so let's delete it. Okay, let's delete this from our chart and then let's continue the video. Okay guys, so this is a clean chart right now and this is what we are going to do. Guys, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can also trade this supply and demand strategy profitable. Okay, and don't forget, we don't have any strategy which is holy grail right here, but I'm teaching you this strategy which help me to win trades each and every day. Okay, and sometimes I also lose trade with this strategy. Don't forget that in this forex market we don't have 100% holy grail strategy. Okay, so this strategy is about 80% win rate. Okay, 80% win rate. So first of all, we are going to identify our trend on the market. So let's say we have market which is moving in an uptrend. Okay, which is moving in an uptrend like this. Guys, have a market moving in an uptrend. Okay, creating higher highs and then higher lows, breaking structures, creating higher highs, higher lows, creating higher highs and then higher lows, breaking structures. Okay, so let's say this is a gold market and then the market is moving in uptrend and then creating higher highs, breaking structures and then creating lower lows also. Okay, so this is what we are going to do as we identify our trends. Step 2 is we are going to wait for the market to break structure. Okay, the market to break structure, and then when the market break a structure, we are going to wait for the price to come into our supply or demand zone, and then we wait for candlestick confirmations and then we take the trade. Okay, so as we are moving in an uptrend right now, the market is creating this kind of market structures, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs and then higher lows when we are in uptrend. Okay, so now this is our current structure, which is our current high. This is our current structure right here, and then as you can see, the market has been breaking this structure right here. So when we are trading this kind of supply and demand strategy with a trending market and then the market break a structure, you see a long sell like this, a strong sell like a strong buy like this, and then the market break a structure. You have to wait for a pullback. Let me demonstrate it right here to you. You have to wait for a pullback right here. Let's mark this zone as our demand zone. Okay, so let's mark this zone as our demand zone, guys. So this is what we are going to do when the market move in an uptrend like this, and then you see a strong buys breaking a structure. All you need to do is to wait for market to come into this zone, then you go for buys. Okay, so now we have identified our trend, and then we have market breaking this structure. So these are the criteria to trade with this trade. Now we have identified our trend, and then the market has break this structure, so we are going to wait for price to come into our this demand zone, and then we look for buys from here. Okay, so as the market have breaking this structure, this trade is qualified for our setup, okay, or match our strategy. So we are going to wait patiently until market or the price come and tap into our this demand zone. And when the market taps into the demand zone, don't rush in and then take entries. Okay, make sure you see a candlestick confirmation that is telling you that the market is going to reverse to the upside, or the market is going to continue the uptrend, creating the higher highs and then higher lows. Okay, so this right now, let's say the market, after waiting, the market came into our zone. Let's say after waiting, the market literally come into our zone, guys. Let's see something right here. Okay, the market came into our zone and then tap into the zone, guys. I'm sorry, I think I'm having some little problem. Okay, guys, so let's say price come into our zone, tap into our zone, and then price started rejecting this zone. Okay, so if price started rejecting this zone, that is telling us that price is rejecting this zone for us to continue the bullish trend. Okay, so immediately price started rejecting, we saw a nice bullish engulfing confirmation right here, or a nice uptrend candlestick reversal. Okay, let's say a morning star on this zone. Okay, let's say a morning star or a bullish candlestick pattern right here, so that we go for long from this zone. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. Since we have seen this candlestick pattern right here, we are going to enter our trade, which is buy. Okay, you are going to go long from this zone. Okay, we are going to go long from this zone, and then put our stop loss right beneath here, and then our take profit to this level right here. Okay, to this level. Okay, and then leave the market to do what the market want to do. Okay, so let's say after the market, or after the trade, after putting on the trade nearly come and then smash our take profits, and then continue the bullish trend. Okay, so this is how to trade this supply and demand strategy very profitable. Okay, guys, I don't want this video to be too long, so this one example right here for you to trade this supply and then demand zone. Always look for the trend of the market, and then let the market break a structure. After breaking the structure, wait patiently for the market to come into your zone to trade it. Okay, so this is how to trade this supply and then demand strategy very profitable. Okay, so let's go to the real chart, guys. Let's move on to the real chart, and then let me show you one more example on gold, which happened last week. Okay, so let's move on to the real chart, and then let me show you this example right here. Okay, guys, so as you can see, this is gold, and then last week and this week gold is trending down. Okay, gold is in a downtrend, and then as you can see, we have this strong move, this strong bearish move here, and then the move break this structure. We have break this structure right here. See, we have a structure being breaking here. Okay, I want to mark it for you to know that we have break a structure. okay. I've break this structure right here, guys. So the market came here and then break the structure and then continue the sales, okay. So we are going to mark this zone right here as our supply zone, okay. This zone right here, so we mark this zone right here. So this is our zone. This is our zone, guys. So now we have market been breaking a structure, okay. We have a market been breaking a structure, and then we are going to wait until market come and tap into this zone again, and then we look for another sales, okay. So let's play this replay too, and then see if market is going to come and tap into our zone for us to look for sales, okay, guys. So let's play it. Let's play it, okay. Then see, let's wait patiently, guys. Let's wait patiently for the market to do what it wants to do, okay. So we are waiting until price tap into this zone. We are doing nothing, okay. We are doing nothing. We are just waiting patiently for price to tap into our zone, and then we look for sales, okay, guys. So we are just watching, guys. Price is just playing around, so let's wait patiently. If you are trading forex, you have to wait patient, okay. When you set up your zone, you have to wait patient to wait for market to come into your zone, and then you take action, okay. So now we are waiting for price to tap into the zone. We are waiting for price to tap into the zone. Price is not there right now, so we are still waiting, guys. We are still waiting. We are still waiting for price to come into the zone for us to look for sales, okay. We are still waiting. We are still patiently waiting. So price is approaching our zone. So price just tap into our zone, guys, and price have given us a rejections, and then also giving us a confirmation right now. So we are going to take this trade, guys. We are going to take this trade. This is very interesting setup, okay. So we are going to take the trade. We are going to go for short on this trade right now. Going to go for short, and then we put our stop loss right here. Then we put our take profit also right here, okay, which is like 1:2, okay. Let's bring our take profit and stop loss right here, and then wait for the market to do what it want to do, okay. So right now I'm going to play it and see how this setup is going to be, whether we are going to, it is going to be a winning trade or a losing trade, okay. This is like 1:2 risk reward ratio, and then you're going to play it. So let's go. Boom boom. Okay, we are waiting, guys. Wow, price nearly took us out but still holding. Okay, now we are in profit, guys, and then price is going back. Let's patiently wait to see what will happen, guys. Boom, we hit our take profit, guys. We hit our take profit. We hit our take profit, guys. So after hitting our take profit, the market also came back into the zone again. The market also came back into the zone again, and then sell massively, okay. So we hit our take profit on this trade. So this is how to trade this supply and then demand strategy that I taught you in the video, okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe and then put on the notification bell. Make sure you like this video that you are watching, share this video, and then leave a comment in the comment section, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out.